Good day, investors. Welcome to the 14th of November 2014. The trade for the day is called Sanlam. Code is SLM and the last traded price was 71 Rand 27. Action is to trade it short. Entry level will be 71 Rand 54 on the dotted blue line, and the target here will be 67 Rand and 96 cents. Stop loss to be used is 73 Rand and 33 cents. Open trades: Impala, Standard Bank and SA Breweries. Trades that's been closed is Old Mutual and Exxaro. Looking at the top 40 index, this is the top 40 shares on the JSE. The blue line is the index movement, still trading above the 5-day moving average as well as the 20-day moving average. Looking at the Dow Jones of the American markets, they closed on Thursday evening 40 points higher on a level of 17,652 points, just on this dotted blue line here. Still in a positive channel and testing previous highs at this moment and on new record highs. Looking at the J200, that's the top 40 index. They basically went a bit positive and a bit negative during the course of yesterday. Now again, these are the patterns that's playing out, the ABC patterns, and you can see it low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. So these highs and these lows are short-term entries and support levels, or resistance and support levels, needed to be tracked very closely. Currently, the US futures are very flat for Friday afternoon opening with the European markets. Currently, our top 40 index is about, the futures are about 50 points positive. Looking at the Rand and dollar, they're trading at 11 Rand 23. And the gold price is sitting at 1,154 points. They actually came a bit more down. Brent crude trading at $77. So the OPEC meeting is happening by the end of the month. So we need to see what's going to happen there with oil prices as well. Looking at some shares, here's some Shoprite shares, testing this 171 Rand level. Now yesterday they went up about 2 Rand almost, closing high on this 170 level, still doing well, still trading between the green and the red line in a positive channel here. Same thing happened with Mr. Price, tested this 240 level, and now you can actually go and adjust your Fibonacci's, and you will see this 240 is the current high at this certain stage, but still trading between the green and the red in a positive channel. Looking at Woolies. Now Woolies did break this 80 Rand level, and it's currently trading at 81.37. So next expectation high is close to the 83 Rand 41. Still trading between the green and the red Bollinger Band in a positive channel. The banking shares, Barclays Bank, currently testing this previous highs of almost September of 177, and it actually went to and closed on a new high of 177.28. Still trading also a bit positive but quite toppish as well. Standard Bank did break up from this triangle we spoke about. Broke up from the 133 level, almost currently trading at 138.40. The big question is this 140 level here. Can it just sustain it, come down, or form a double top, come down, or start breaking it? Looking at your MTNs. Now MTN at this moment is a thing that you need to track. As you can see on the previous highs here and the previous lows here, form the new low and high there. So again, now you will do the opposite. This 250, it needs to be broken if it needs to go higher, and this low here of plus minus 226 is going to be your low. If it breaks it, the share could go lower, and it's currently trading between the green and the purple line in a downward pattern. Vodacom also started to test this low here. Now look at this again, precisely the same as MTN, low, high, low, broke it. Now the big question is, can you break it, can come back here to the level of 125. Now it's currently trading between the green and the purple, but it needs to break these lows here, and after it broke about 126 to go much lower. Looking at Imperial. Now Imperial has got a nice pattern, currently trading between the green and the red, and you can see a double top there, came down to the 23% or the 184 Rand level, broke the previous high and starting to move higher. Next expectation high is here to 195.96, and it's currently trading at 195, still in this positive channel. Let's go and look at Richmond. Now Richmond currently we're trading on that high there in this downward channel on the purple line, and there was a low there. So the big question is, can it break the high and go higher, or test this low and go and test this level of 95 Rand? Currently the share is trading at 96.60. Take note, futures are flat on all markets. The Asian markets are a bit mixed as well during the course of the morning. And let's see how this Friday will play out. Enjoy your trading.